When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on no bite. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if
Okay, so I know I look a little crazy right now, but it's because I'm baking. So we're just gonna like jump right into it. I'm doing a JLo vibe tutorial, makeup tutorial. I am really digging this look here. Pretty straightforward look that I'm gonna knock out. I'm gonna be using the Soft Glam palette. First I'm just gonna start with the Rustic. We're just gonna kind of blend that. It's gonna be our go-to shade. We're gonna smudge it on the bottom. We're gonna throw it in the top crease. Like, so we're just gonna start with that, and then we're gonna throw some glitter on it. So this is just Rustic, and we're just gonna blend this in the crease. Now this palette is super pigmented, so I'm literally just touching my brush in it, and sister, it is pigmented just with a tap. I'm gonna enhance it on my socket. I want it to really pop. There. Woo! Alright, next shade we're gonna go into, I'm gonna take Glistening. It appears gorgy. So we're gonna focus that mainly like on our inner lid. Where is my brush I'm looking for? Girl, where you be at? There you are. Found her. Just taking a flat top like this. Not a flat top, flat brush. Like so. Dabble in there. That's a lot. Pigmented, girl, pigmented. So I'm just gonna focus this on the inner half. Digging the glitter. So we're just gonna take that about halfway on your lid, like so. Look at her. Okay, Glisten. Now I can't really see her like lid in this, so she might very well not have no glitter, but she definitely has some like in her inner corner. I can't really see too much of the lid what's going on, but we're just gonna go with this. And because I like it. And I was feeling some glitter today. So why not, you know? Alright, then you're just going to go back in that same blender brush. You can take a little bit more of that Rustic, just a smidge, and you're going to focus it on the outer V of your eye and in the socket again. I just want to enhance what we already put there. I just want to blend the two shades here on my lid nicely. Same thing to the other side. Make that socket pop. Yeah. All the pictures I found on Pinterest of JLo, like, she likes like the darker looks. She like almost always has something on her lower lash line, which I am a fan because you know I'll be trying to hide my wrinkles schminkles. So I'm living for that part. I'm gonna go into the shade Tempera here, just a little because it's kind of it's a little light for like my complexion. So this is just gonna go on your eyebrow bone, and I'm just gonna be pretty light-handed, and then we can blend it out in just a sec because I don't want it to be too harsh, like so. And then I'm just gonna kind of take my finger and tap at it a little bit. Tap at it. I didn't really film like my foundation and concealer because it's literally the same that I always do. So, and my brows are the same as well. Okay. Good. That's done. And then we're just going to take Rustic on the lower lash line. And to do that, hers is like pretty smoked out. I'm going to go ahead and take just my, whatever this is. What is this? Sigma Blending E25. I'm going to take that and just dip it in Rustic and go with that. I like to drag mine pretty far down because my lower lash line looks like a crinkled up trash bag or brown bag. So I just like to bring it over my wrinkles try to hide them my best. Like so. Other side. You just want to be careful like on your lower lash line. Like just focus it on the areas that you want to place it. It can get pretty dark under there quickly. So just make sure that you're trying to keep the product exactly where you want it. Okay, so the eyes are done with the shadow. I'm going to throw on a coat of mascara, and then I'm going to find some lashes that look like her.
Oh! Almost took my eyeball out.
I got these cosmetic eyelure with Ann Lee, and So Lovely. You can try these. They're a little wispy. I think they could deal. Now, I'm just going to press in my bakage. Just make sure everything is good to go. Okay. We're going to knock out the face real quick. She's pretty bronze. I've been obsessed with the Anastasia. Not that one. Or Anastasia. Somebody tell me how to say it in the comments below so I can say it right from now on, because I've been struggling. Shade Saddle. I dropped a little bit of glue in there, so don't mind that bit. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild big fluffy brush. It just looks like it's kind of calling my name a little bit here. So we're really going to bronze it up. She's got it coming all the way down. We're going to bronze it in all our normal spots. We're going to really snatch the chin this time, because you know J-Lo snatched everywhere, so we're gonna make sure we snatch this chin, baby.
We're gonna make sure we snatch this chin, baby.
There we go. Just blend it on your neck. I just hit my chest because my chest is always 30,000 steps behind when it comes to me getting tanned. And you already know, we're gonna contour this forehead. Bring it around the hairline. Now we're just going to take the baking powder we used and we're just going to chisel it so hers stops like here. I'm going to take it, I'm going to cut it, and I'm just going to like stop right there. Instead of like bring it all the way to my lip. I'm just going to take it, cut it, and stop right there. She's got like a coral colored blush on, so I'm going to take the Anastasia Peachy Love. I've been obsessed with this trio, and all I do is I just swirl them all together with a Morphe M530. So I'm just going to swirl them all together, tap off the excess, and just really focus it. She's like right above the contour, so I'm just going to focus it there. Oh, next, highlighter, my favorite part. I'm still using the Estee Lauder Heat Wave. Looks like so. Been obsessed. I'm taking my Morphe M510, and she's pretty I mean, she's pretty glowy all over, but it's basically all the same points that I hit. I'll reference this again. So I'm just going to take it everywhere that I usually go. So first we're just going to swirl it in there, and we're going to hit it on the tops here, and we're just going to kind of make a C, and we're just going to glow all around there. Okay, same to the other side. I'm going to hit it here, blend it out, and then just take it in a C shape right up here. So it can hit all over. I'm also going to take it on my chin a little bit, and like right here looks very glowy, and I don't usually do this, but for the Queen J-Lo, we're going to hit it right here, okay? But just a little. I'm not trying to get too crazy, but she's glowing there. We'll blend it out a little bit. And then, of course, she's got the inner eye and the nose highlight, so I'm just going to switch it over to a Sigma E30 brush, and I'm just going to pop this in my inner corner. And she does bring it, like, to the lower lash a little. I'm going to load up some more in there. Okay, same to the other side. Bring it down a little so you can see the glow. Really try to make that inner eye open up, and then I'm just going to take some down the bridge of my nose. Hers does go all the way down. Flick some between my brows a little bit, and then just on the tip here, just go right there. So her nose is like super contoured. So the look that I've been liking lately is I take a little bit, like just the residual on my blush brush, and I'm just gonna brush it over my nose, and it kind of gives you that like sun kiss, like you just got some sun on your nose. So I'm just gonna take it and just like wave it a little up and down, side to side, till I get it to my intensity. It's just a little bit, but I feel like it just adds like a little something. I don't know. I like it. But that's just me. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna brush off the excess we got on the sides. And I just like to push it into my skin. I don't really do much swiping. I just kind of push it in there. And then we're just gonna take our stippling and we're just gonna kind of blend everything out. Make sure it's all seamless. And then for the lips, my lip, she's got like a darker eyeliner and lighter inside. The lip combo that I've been obsessed with lately, which I thought I could incorporate because it is very similar to what she has. The lip liner is MAC's Lip Pencil in Cork. So it's like a dark brown. Eee. Oh. So it's like a dark brown. So we're just going to line the lip. Need a better... I go in with, the first one's the Right Note, and it's a cream sheen, and I like to go in with it first because it's like, it's not as drying as like a satin or a matte. So I just take this, put it in the center. It's a nice transition color. And then the next one I go in with is Myth, and it's just more nude, and I take that and put it in the center. And then we'll go back with the lip liner and shade in and give it like that nice ombre, fades out into the other color look. So you just want to fade in the corners and kind of bring the middle up a little, and same with the top. I'm going to spray my face and then put on the lower lash mascara, and then I think we'll basically be done. I mean, it don't look like the Queen or anything. The eyes is similar. It's probably not the exact same, obviously, but do I look like the Queen herself? I'm just kidding. That's just my recreation of something similar. I know it's not the exact same. I can't really see her eyelid as well, so I just kind of did my own thing in there. But I just feel like ever since I've been wearing this lip is what's given me the whole like J-Lo inspired vibe, and so I wanted to do a J-Lo inspired look. You can subscribe in the corner of my video now. So it says, it's a box that says subscribe now. It's in the corner of my video. It's 2. When you're watching the screen, it's on your right hand side. Your girl gotcha. So you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you would. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that bell button next to the subscribe button to be notified of all my future uploads. So stay tuned, and if you have any ideas on any future videos that you want me to upload, let me know.
You wanna see a bad guy do the rap game like me? I want you to...
Ain't nothing but a J thing, baby. Okay. 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 I don't know. I could be making up all of this. Hit it. Hit it. Just give you some little extra glow.
Bitch ain't coming up the bitch while I'm coming up the court fully drenched. Here goes the major rain, get your thirst quenched. Down on him in this Burberry trench.
I don't have to do for now because I got margaritas calling my name, so I got to put them on, keep them rolling. Peace.